Welcome, today I'm running Motorola Moto G42 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and then here in the search bar we should enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app and click enable in settings. After that, tap here once to the green Apple keyboard switcher, tap OK and again OK. After that, just go back and click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, and let's go just somewhere, for example to the app search, to see the new look of our device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.